What is up, Lock Talk family? It's your boy Jason. Welcome back to another video. And before I go off, make sure you hit that subscribe button and put that notification bell on so you never miss a video or play. Hey man, we've been on absolute fire. What can I say, dude? We are killing it. We are 8-1 this week in all the premium plays. I'll put some of the videos or the tickets up here. Absolutely killing it. Even on the last YouTube video, I went 2-0 basically, or 1-0 really, because the only play I set to go bet was my boy Kyle Freeland and his outs over 17.5, and that cash, he got 21 outs. So everyone that doubted me and said he has a terrible ERA on the road, etc., etc. Yeah, I know, but I don't give things out without reasoning. So go watch that last video, you'll see for yourself. But let's get it going today, man. I just want to say today's a small slate. There's not a lot of opportunities. So if there's any day you guys want to take a break or go super late, today's that day, man. I said that a few days ago, and this is one of those days. Football will be back soon enough. And I know I haven't been on YouTube dropping football plays or football content, but 100%, I cannot wait for the NFL. That's a money machine. Plus, when NBA comes back and basketball comes back with football, dude, there's no better time to be in the sports betting world than right now. But let's get straight into it, man. Before I give the two spots I'm looking at, go on that description down below, grab yourself a super amazing discount from my site right behind me. This code's only for the guys that are watching the YouTube videos, man, so make sure you take advantage. And that's just my special thanks for supporting me on this YouTube journey. I want to keep on coming up here and making this a channel that, you know, we all can benefit from and you guys enjoy watching. So also, put a comment down below. You always have a chance to win a free daily card. And let me know what type of content you want to see. I'm going to drop a vlog very soon of my travels in Italy and London. So it's going to be a new side of me. You're going to see some fun stuff. So let's get to it, though. Let's not take too long because not that much to talk about, honestly. So let's talk about, you know, one of the first plays I want to look at. It's not the strikeouts. I do think the strikeouts could be interesting, but I'm looking at Charlie Morton and his outs. I did see it on some books at 17.5 or 16.5 actually. He's been averaging 16.5 to 17.5 outs. I think this is a decent spot. The line's a little bit low, or advantage to us in my opinion, just because of the recent matchup, man. Miami has been red hot. Like, I don't even know what to say. Miami's been on absolute fire, dude. They've been absolutely rocking, guys, and obviously Charlie Morton just had a tough outing against the Mets, who absolutely killed him, man. He gave up, I think, like 6 earned runs. And, you know, if you look at the season stats on Miami has not been the best, but Charlie Morton, he has a pitch mix that could give him some trouble with the curveball and the fastball, and even the changeup. Not super high batting averages for his overall pitch mix. He's not been in the best form, and Miami has been doing very good. I mean, they've been one of the hottest hitting teams in the league in the last month or the last 2 weeks, to be frank. So I do think it's a little bit of a tough line, 17.5. If you get 16.5, which where I saw it earlier today, I think it's a really good line, but I think Charlie Morton can get the job done. I don't think it's a bad spot. I don't know if I'm going to play it yet, but that's one look I wanted to give it to you guys. Charlie Morton over on his outs, 17.5. Obviously, we love 16.5 a lot more, but obviously go look and see what you can grab. All right, and the last spot I want to talk about is my man right here, Seth Lugo, starting pitcher of the Kansas City Royals. We made a lot of money with Seth Lugo, whether it's backing him directly or just betting on his props or the team side when he's pitching. I don't like his strikeouts. I do also like his outs, man. I think his outs, it's a little bit high right now. If we get 17.5, I love this spot. I think that's not love it, but I do think it's a good spot. He did get rocked on his last game though, and he still pitched 19 outs against the Chicago Cubs. Because if you want to just take a look, he gave up, 6 earned runs against the Cubs and still pitched pretty deep into that game. So we get a 17.5 outline because right now it's plus 142 at 18.5. 17.5 right now it's only listed on Prize Picks. So I say go take a look, go see where his lines are available. And I mean, I do think the matchup is pretty solid. Detroit, even though they have been stepping up a little bit over the past 30 days, overall in the season not been the best. And Seth Lugo, even though I've always said he's due to regress, I do think the matchup is favorable. Detroit, dangerous team for sure, but Seth Lugo is definitely one of the better pitchers for the Royals. He has a pitch mix that could definitely give them some problems. But again, I do think it's a spot where we could see Seth Lugo have a decent type game and get enough outs just to get through past the 6th inning. But this line does not exist yet. I don't like his strikeouts, even though he is a higher strikeout type pitcher. They have some lines at 4.5 Ks, but it's really juiced at -170. And yeah, look, he's an average strikeout pitcher, and Detroit on the season will strike at a pretty high rate, but has kind of stepped it up just like Miami. So again, this is like, I think today's a very tough board for props. I think there's some better advantages on like sides, totals, and things like that. But these are 2 pitchers and 2 props that I want to highlight for you guys to maybe consider in your lineups or just taking a look at it in general. But thanks again, guys, for tapping in. It's going to be a short video. I just wanted to get up here and just show some love. It's a small slate today. If you want to know exactly what I'm giving out to all my guys in premium, definitely go to the description and get yourself that special deal for watching the YouTube video, or grab a package and let's go run it up on the books, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.